What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? Jordan here. I am the project manager, and although I might be the most organized person on this team, this might be the most unorganized thing I've done all year. So let's get started. I had the pleasure of rocking these Jordan 3s for the last couple of weeks to get them dirty. I wore them to the gym and to work. Don't recommend wearing these to the gym unless you have tube socks. For this cleaning, I'm going to be using our essential cleaning kit and potentially our dry suede kit to soften up some of this nubuck after we're clean. For before and after purposes, we're going to set aside the left shoe. And first, we're going to be inserting our adjustable shoe tree. These are a size 8.5 in men's. And then we're going to remove the laces. We're going to set these into our bowl of water and add 2 squirts of our solution. And then we'll get started cleaning the uppers with our soft bristle brush.
All right, Jordan, how do you feel about doing your first cleaning video?
Connor, I feel great. Although I was quite nervous, this is much more relaxing than prepping for Black Friday. Do I have to say anything? Speaking of Black Friday, we're doing our Spend More, Save More event right now. All of our website is up to 25% off. So head over to Reshoevn8r.com.
Not bad.
I got a wink, huh? Speaking of Black Friday, we're having our Spend More, Save More event right now. Head over to our website to save up to 25% off on all of your Reshoevn8r products after you finish this video. Alright, I am done with the soft bristle brush, so we're going to pat this shoe dry to see how it looks. So there is a little bit of staining in the sock liner that we're going to hit up with the medium bristle brush, as well as hitting the midsole. And the color on this shoe does look a little bit darker, but that's just because it's wet. Once it is dry, the color will lighten back up to its original condition. All right, I just finished hitting up the midsole and some of those tougher stains with the medium bristle brush. The shoe is looking much better than it did when we started. Now these Jordan 3s are some of my favorite releases of the year. Although I would not consider them my favorite Jordan 3, I'd give these about a solid 7. They do match with a lot of my wardrobe, but they're definitely not a daily wear. CK, would you pick up these shoes?
Yeah, I am digging them. I'd probably give it an 8.
Well, now we're gonna get started with the stiff bristle brush on the outsole. I'm all done with the cleaning process, so we're gonna set this shoe outside to dry for a couple hours, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. All right, guys, we're back. These shoes cleaned up great. Just to recap, we used the essential cleaning kit, we used the soft bristle brush on the entire uppers, the medium bristle brush on the midsoles, and then some of the deeper stains, and then we hit the outsoles with the stiff bristle brush. You can find our essential cleaning kit online at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you use my promo code in the description below. That's gonna do it for my first cleaning video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Once again, I'm Jordan, and I hope to see you guys in another cleaning. Bye.